you know that because we could not find any evidence of your violation, your case has been dismissed. Not knowing that in the background of things over hundreds and thousands of years, God has been planning something so that this very moment can happen to you and me. The message of the cross. God uses things that you and I look down upon to show how powerful it is. For instance, the cross. The cross brings reconciliation and justification. I know some people may say, oh, those are really high words. But the reason why we talk about these words is that when you hear it elsewhere, you would have already been, that these words would have already been registered in your head. That gives you the confidence to say, yes, I do know what justification is. I know what reconciliation is. In biblical terms, we are to choose Christ today, not tomorrow, today. Choose Christ today and serve Him for the remainder of your days on earth. We're promised today. We're not promised tomorrow. The decisions that you make today will determine what your tomorrow is like. There's that saying that goes, do today what others don't, so you can have tomorrow what others won't. So what that is you choose Christ. I can share with you my testimony, but I think both of you know me. But what God has been doing. Yes, there are some down times. 1 Corinthians 10:13. God allows temptations in your life. And He also knows that you will overcome it. And before you fall into it, He will provide a way for you to get out of it. Nothing that comes to us, God does not know that we can overcome. Whatever trials, temptation comes your way, God already knows that you can overcome. And this is the message of Easter. It's a call to action. You choose what you're going to do. The love of God is there. It's a gift. You don't know the value until you take it and you open it. But it's just a thing sitting looking at you if you don't take it. And that's the Word of God. The Word of God is a gift to all mankind. May God bless you, and may God bless the teaching of His Word. Shall we pray?